Another tutorial guys, another song. This song is from Harry Styles. The title of the song is Falling, and this version is from JK of BTS. In this tutorial, we have three parts guys. The first part is for the chords, intro, verses, choruses, and the second part is chords for the bridge part, and the last part is for the string pattern, okay? These are the chords, please follow me. What about now? What about now? For the intro, verses, and choruses. So the chords are eagle. First chord is E, and the second chord is C sharp minor at the 4th fret. So with a form of B minor, but we'll play this chord at the 4th fret, okay? At 4th fret. And then the third chord is a B. Okay, a B. And then the fourth chord, we need right timing in this part. G sharp minor 7, so form of F sharp minor but at the 4th fret, and we'll remove this finger, this pinky finger, okay? G sharp minor 7, and then the last chord is a note of A. We'll remove the second string finger, so A sus2, okay? A note of A. We will remove this finger, okay? A sus2. Again, eagle, then C sharp minor, and then a B, then a right timing for G sharp minor 7, and A sus2. Okay, so let us play this with the string pattern. The string pattern is down, down, down. This is string pattern. What about now? Down, down, C sharp minor, down, down, then B, B, again, fall, then right timing. Okay, G sharp minor 7, 4th fret, then A sus2. Again. Now, down, down, C sharp minor, then B, falling again, then a right timing, A sus2. Okay, that's all for intro, verses, choruses, and for the string pattern. And then let's proceed for the bridge part. These are the chords for the bridge part. I will play the ending of second chorus. Falling again, falling again. Okay, and then bridge part. These are the chords. Bridge part. Again. Repeat those chords. So for the bridge part. Okay. Again. A sus2. And then eagle. Then repeat those chords. C sharp minor, B, F minor 7, and A sus2. Again, okay? So let's play again this part. Fall again, falling again, fall. Then bridge part. A sus2. Okay? Then eagle again. This is for the bridge part, okay? Minor, repeat those chords. Okay? Right timing. Okay? And then for the last chorus, repeat the chorus chords. What about now? Okay? Repeat these chords for the last chorus. Repeat the chorus chords. Okay? Okay? Repeat the chorus chords. And the ending is eagle, okay? That's all guys. This is our version of how to play this song. The song from Harry Styles and the version of JK from BTS. Again, if you learned this tutorial, just like this video guys. Just like this video. That's all for today. Shout out to all of you. See you in my next videos and tutorials guys. Bye. What